So guys, I check this profile and then I want to check his information or about. He used Prince Hamdan Fasa's photo with Maj. Take a look guys. I want to share this to everyone. So be careful because this person created last year 2023 September, and after that 3 Nigerians owner of this. I want to show you something. Government official labo, crazy. Check the all about. So this is his website. September 18, created September 18, 2023. So I want to show you something. So the history, check the history. And the upper is Hamdan Fas Tripan's government official. We check his history. Change name to Hamdan Fas Tripans, November 3, 2023. Change name to Hamdan Fas Tripans, same month and date, November 3, 2023. So created Genie Makina, September 19, 2023. So guys, the owner of this account is woman. So don't trust all the pages of Prince Hamdan Fasa in Facebook, because they are only using the name of the Prince Hamdan Fasa photo and information. Or did you see? All are government officials. But take a look his history. The first name created is September 19, 2023, and the name is Genie Makina. So this is a woman. And then in the lower, people who manage this page, primary country region, location of people who manage this page includes Nigeria, 3 persons. So guys, be careful. This is not Prince Hamdan Fasa who handled this account, okay? It's common for a page to be managed by many people from different places. You can check for a mismatch between a page's purpose and the location of the people who manage it. So guys, this is the evidence of these people who use the name of Prince Hamdan Fasa of Dubai. So be careful, because after this, they will ask you money. Okay, especially those royal membership card. This is the first one, and the next one is they will asking you about the gift card for the children. So be careful on it. These are all lies. Okay, so I'm going to block this person. Did you see? Category government official. Oh my god. So this is the truth. Okay, I'm going to block this person. So touch, I want to unlike, unfollow, then unlike. So now unlike, then touch this 3 dot to block this person so that you cannot see him in your page. So then close. So that's all. You cannot see him anymore. So cannot, already this person was already blocked. So he cannot see me if he searched me, because I already blocked him. So have a nice day. Happy Sunday. God bless and good luck. Bye-bye. So good morning everyone, to all my followers, viewers, and also my subscribers in YouTube. pay attention of all these people who use the name of Prince Hamdan Farsa, the Crown Prince of Dubai. They ruins the life of the prince. So, you want me to read this message? We have been together for a long time in this relationship. Why do you choose to make me cry after all I have done for you? Honey, you still don't appreciate my love and sincere respect. You rather make me heartbroken and unseasonally. I love you there and always to do. Please don't do this to me. Come back to me for the last chance, my beloved wife. I won't stop thinking about you. I couldn't sleep or work for the whole time because of this, honey. Like and share. Contact me on my private account. My love to talk together. I'm going crazy about this condition, my love. Give me that last chance to understand each other forever. Nothing can separate us if not that. I will always be with until dawn. Please say hi to my beautiful angels. I'm dying in silence. Oh, you will die. Yan mo. Makaganti rin naman. Sila din naman natutulog ako. Nang lakas-lakas din lang nag-ingay.
Wala pang mas malakas pa?
Oh, mag-volume ako ngayon.
Sige, volume mo pa. Mahina pa yan.
Para late ka gumising, Rose.
May part-time na naman yan. May part-time.
Wala, na-cancel yung part-time ko.
Anong oras
Wala ako, stay at home ako ngayon.
Anong oras sana yun?
Ha?
Hapon, gabi. Ay,
8:30.
Hindi, wala ka na sana. Ay, alis ka na.
Malin sana ako.
Hanggang gabi yun.
Hindi, hanggang alas 3.
Kaya diba?
Hindi, sa San Malo.
Ano yung orasan?
Wala, 2:50.
Alas 12.